Hi guys, it's Isabella. Thanks for watching my videos. Make sure to subscribe below and hit that like button. Thank you. Hey guys, welcome to another Roblox Island video. Today I'm going to show you how to build this cool auto fireworks display. It has a switch, and when you turn it on, the LED light flashes and the fireworks are shot up into the sky. This fireworks display works both in daytime and nighttime. That's because this machine uses both solar panels and the coal power generator. Okay, so to make this machine you'll need one solar panel, one coal generator, an LED light, one switch, the lever switch, not the button switch, an OR gate, a splitter, a timer, a wire tool to connect them all up, finally a firework barrel. And of course you'll need fireworks. Fireworks come in small, medium and large sizes. You can craft them from the fireworks barrel, but you need to pay something like 199 Robux. If you don't have any fireworks, come to my island shop and I'll sell them for really cheap. And I also drop them on daily drops too. I published my island as Gold House, so when you see me, come and ask me for fireworks. On this picture, you'll see how to connect the electrical items to build yourself an auto firework launcher. I'm going to show you on this patch here how to connect them up. This is a you can do any design, but this is a sort of layout you need. Connect them up like this. You can hide the solar panel and the generator underground because people don't want to see that. Use an OR gate here because we want either of them to power the firework. Now use a timer so the fireworks go off slowly. Connect that timer to the switch, or you can put it after the switch. Doesn't matter. From the other side of the switch, connect to a splitter. This is because we want to send the power to two devices, the LED and the fireworks launcher. And that's it. Make sure to put some fireworks in the launcher. And if it's nighttime, put some coal in the generator. And switch the light on. I hope that you like this video, guys. I have new giveaway videos coming this month, and another full set of blueprint giveaway, and rare fertile flower giveaways. So make sure to enter those. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye, connect the hearts.